Okay, so this is basic motorcycle wiring for your dirt bike. It is very easy, no big deal. You can, with a basic knowledge, you can get her done, no problem. So this is just the basic setup. This is not including headlights because those are going to run through the alternating current of the dirt bike. And I will wire them, the high and low, through the connectors for that, no problem. But that circuit is independent of the DC circuit. This is the DC side minus the charge coil, and it doesn't include the switch. The on-off switch will fire up a relay, which will then make this positive connection right there. So with that missing, here we are. So tail light, it's always running when the ignition switch is kicked on and the battery is charged. That wiring is right here. It goes to, there's 3 wires. One goes to ground. The little black guy goes to ground. Positive through the key switch or the relay goes through and keeps the running light and the license plate light on. And then the green light over here is going to be ran through 2 switches, the foot pedal switch and the handbrake switch, both of which are not in here. This is just the basic setup. So when you hit the brakes, you add another little 12 volt. In fact, we could probably just, let's hit the brakes real fast. Oop, lost a ground. So when I hit the brakes, boom, 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 there we go. So the part that always kind of confused me was how to make the blinkers blink and how to wire those in. It's really simple, actually. All you need to do is you can either put all the grounds for all 4 blinkers, ground them through your relay, your flasher relay, and then the flasher relay goes to ground. Or somewhere you could do it in the positive side before you feed this thing the positive that goes to all the blinkers. As long as all of them have to pass either at the very beginning or the very end, goes through the relay. So I have them all grounded through the relay. Then you've got, so now you've got left and right blinker. So the rear and the front are both ran together. That way when you hit the left, so right in this hand switch, we've got since it's part of the DC circuit, the positive going to the horn and the blinkers, ignoring the headlights. So positive. So one side of this flashes the right, and let's hit the right blinker. Look at how easy that is. Right blinker, since they're grounded through the flasher relay, they flash. Piece of cake. Cancel. Same thing with the left. Left. Eliminate. And then the last one in this little scenario is the horn, which is just positive through the switch out to the yellow, which was this little brown. So I think it was like black to brown was the switch through the horn. And there you have it. It's really not that hard. Once we get it on the bike, you'll see how it all comes together and how we separate the alternating current from the DC current, because the headlights on my dirt bike are AC and all the rest of these are DC. We are going to we're going to siphon off a little bit of that AC with a regulator rectifier to charge our battery. And then we're going to run through the other contacts on here is going to be the high beam, the low beam, and the high beam, low beam, and positive. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, and our emergency hazards, those work because it's just controlled through the key switch. So the key switch on off is only going to activate the blinkers, and this kicking the bike to life is going to activate the headlight, and then we'll, high-low switch it depending on which pole we go through. That's it.